Dear friends, on the Constitution Day, the Attorney General K.K. Venugopal has suggested for creation of 4 zonal courts of appeal. That would be the final appellate courts of all appeals from high courts rather than the Supreme Court of India, which is the highest court of the land as per the hierarchy. This idea of national courts of appeals had already been made by the former Solicitor General of India, T.R. Andi Arjuna, that the Supreme Court of India should deal with only constitutional matters rather than an appellate courts from the high courts of India. The point herein is that the Constitution of India says there is no difference between the High Courts and the Supreme Court of India when it comes to the question of adjudication of constitutional issues. But the present idea as advocated by the Attorney General K.K. Venugopal is nothing more than undermining both the High Courts of India and also the Apex Court of India, that is the Supreme Court of India, which ought to be dealt with the appellate courts, that is the highest court of the land. The point here is that under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, the Supreme Court is vested with dealing with the rights and civil liberties of the citizens of this country and fundamental rights and fundamental rights, that is Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. That is the final arbitrator of the appeals of the high courts, that in the eyes of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, has categorically stated that if I was asked to name any particular article of the Constitution as the most important an article without which the Constitution would be a nullity, I would not refer to any other article except Article 32, which is the soul and heart of the Indian Constitution. That was the very statement made by the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, none other than Dr. Babasaheb B.R. Ambedkar. But the present central dispensation is trying to undermine both the high courts as a constitutional courts and also undermines the Supreme Court of India to be the appellate courts of high courts in India. This is causing a series of apprehension and fear among the Indian citizens, so to safeguard their rights, fundamental rights, civil liberties as enshrined in the Indian Constitution. Thank you so much.